In 1914, the world went completely insane. Why? Because one guy got shot after his driver made the worst turn in history. Welcome to World War I, the most unnecessary bloodbath in human history. You've probably heard about World War II. Nazis, tanks, Hitler, big drama, big explosions. Hollywood loves that stuff, but World War I, yeah, not so much. It was slow, it was filthy, and it was horrifying. It's the war they won't teach you properly, because it was frankly dumb. So, here's how it all began. There was a guy named Franz Ferdinand. No, not the band. He visited Sarajevo. That idea, a group of assassins were waiting for him. They all failed epically. One of them, Gavrilo Princip, gave up. He walked to a sandwich shop. Seriously, he was just trying to eat, and then, Franz's driver took a wrong turn, right past the sandwich shop. Bam! Shot, dead. A wrong turn, lead to 16 million deaths. Austria-Hungary blames Serbia. Russia backs Serbia. Germany backs Austria. France backs Russia. Britain backs Belgium. And the Ottoman Empire's like, hey, can we join the chaos too? This wasn't a war, it was a bar fight, where everyone brought a gun. Welcome to the trenches. Dig a ditch, live in it, die in it. There were no toilets, just mud, disease, and rats the size of cats. Soldiers got trench foot, which is when your feet rot and fall apart. Lovely. You'd charge over the top, run into machine guns, and maybe just maybe advance 5 meters. If you're lucky, if you're still breathing. Let's talk about the weapons. Gas. Let's blind burn and suffocate people. Awesome invention. Planes. Used for dropping grenades by hand. Super high-tech. Tanks. They moved slower than your grandma's V5. It was modern warfare, with medieval brains. 4 years later, 16 million dead. Empires collapsed. Nothing was gained, just a piece of paper. The Treaty of Versailles, which, by the way, made Germany very mad. So mad, that it helped start World War II. Yeah, well done, humanity. So, yeah. World War I started with a sandwich, and ended with trauma, destruction, and another world war. If that doesn't sound like a bad Netflix series, I don't know what does. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below, what's the dumbest war fact you've ever heard? Next episode, maybe the time America accidentally invaded itself. Yeah, that actually happened.